Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Brandit defense boot. That's a military style boot. The price tag is around 50 euros. So that's the box. Let's check the label. Defense boot. Brandit is a German company manufacturing clothing based on military style design. Let's open the box, see what is inside. Let's take the boot out. Get rid of the box. So well, it comes in 3 different colors. That's the black. We have olive and camel. Is an 8-inch boot, combat boot. It has standard laces and it has 9-line lacing system with hooks and eyes. 4 eyes, 5 hooks. We got a pull strap on the back to put easier on, especially on high boots like that. That's great to have there. So let's start from the top. The material on the top is a 600D nylon. That's very durable and it has great water resistance. And is also breathable. Comparing with the 1000D nylon, which is more robust, thicker, but that has better breathability. So it's great for the boot. It's really durable. The good thing is closed till the top, almost till the top. On the inside doesn't have any padding, it's just on the inside, on the top is the microfiber leather, just a line. Feels good though when you put on. Comfortable, light, it's true to size. Yes, and on the outside we have microfiber leather, as I mentioned on the top. On the inside, all around the boot. That's microfiber leather. And we have EVA midsole, which make it soft and comfortable. And rubber sole, which is oil and slip resistant. So on the toe is pretty hard. Doesn't have any protection, no steel toe, composite toe, etc. But it feels hard, so you actually do have some kind of protection. Not the greatest, but if you try to press it to the hand, it's hard. That's good. So the impressions are good. My impressions are good. The boot is in a very good price. So the price is great for the $50. That's awesome. Yeah, to conclude, price quality radio, great. Durability will take you few years. Pretty durable. You might need to change the laces after a while. Yes, definitely is a go for it. Yeah. Great boot overall. Light, comfortable, nice looking. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.